Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we will discuss about a topic, what is collaboration planning in Scrum. Friend, let me tell you that it's a very easy topic, and if you have a knowledge about collaboration or Scrum, so you can easily understand this topic very easily. So I would request to just please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well. So let's start our tutorial. What is collaboration planning in Scrum? Friend, first of all, we have to see what is Scrum before going into deep. Friend, Scrum is a methodology which is based on agile or iterative approach, in which what we do, we divide the work in chunks, or a sprint based approach. Sprint based approach is that, for example, you have to implement a e-commerce solution, and for we have 40 tasks which we have to deliver. So what we do in Scrum, we divide the work in chunks or sprints. Like first we can divide 10 tasks for each sprint, and in each sprint we plan, develop, test and deliver the work to customer for in each sprint. So this is the approach in Scrum, an iterative approach, in which customer is getting few things at a very early stage. He is not seeing only the planning or documentation only. He is getting something which he can see, he can know that this is his product which he wants to develop. So this is a very good aspect of Scrum or agile based approach, in which the customer is getting few things at a very early stage. He can see the application, he can see some output in the application. So this is the very good aspect of Scrum. Now coming towards the our main topic, what is collaboration planning in Scrum. Collaboration planning. Collaboration, first we have to understand what is collaboration in a Scrum. Friend, collaboration means that team are working together. They are sitting together, they are giving feedback, they are giving out inputs, they are openly discussing about ideas. This is in collaboration. That means that the team is giving inputs, and input of one person is useful for other person as well. Input of one team is very good input for other team members. So collaboration means that teams are working together and they are giving inputs, and based on their input it will become a very good or very good learning environment for everyone. So this is called the collaboration. Collaboration in Scrum means that only one person is not a decision maker. The whole team is working together, and they are responsible to make. They are self-responsible to make decision accordingly. So this is called the approach. This is called the concept of collaboration. What does that mean? Collaboration means that everyone is participating, everyone is giving inputs, everyone, the whole team is participating in the planning, in the execution, and transparent things are transparent for everyone. This is not the case, for example, if we talk about the traditional project management approach. The in the traditional project management approach, like for example, one person is the decision maker and the whole pressure is only on one person. But in the collaboration approach of a Scrum, this is a different scenario. Like everyone is participating, so everyone feels that he is important, and he is and things are transparent for them as well. Now coming towards main topic, like collaboration planning in Scrum. Our main topic is that collaboration planning. Collaboration is an extremely important element in Scrum, and the collaboration plan outline how the various decision makers, stakeholders and team members engage and collaborate with each other. It defines that how you will engage, how you will collaborate with each other. So if you are getting my point, that when we are implementing a project in Scrum using the Scrum approach, this is very key term, a very key concept of the of a Scrum, that everyone should participate. Things are transparent for everyone, and everyone would be given inputs and participating in the implementation of the project. So collaboration planning means that only one person is not doing the whole planning. Okay, are you getting my point? From the traditional project management planning, this is not the case in Scrum, and not a single person is doing all the things or all the planning. The whole team is collaborating, like they are discussing, they are focusing, they are self responsible, and they are giving inputs for the collaboration. So responsibility is not only on the one person, the whole team is responsible for the planning. Now why we need collaboration planning, why we need that? Because see, in the collaboration planning we are discussing why we need it, friend. Why we need? Because see, we have to engage the team. Why we need the collaboration planning? Because we want to engage the whole team, like all designers, developers, QA persons, managers, from customer side. So all these persons will be collaborating with each other. The whole team is sitting, for example, you can say sitting in one room, or if you are if you can say, if you are having offshore team, so you can have the conference call. So the all persons are collaborating, they are engaging in the project. This is not the case that only one person is the decision maker. The whole team will be engaged in the planning phase. Now then next is the creating commitments. Commitment means that when all persons are engaging, so commitment is from all sides. This is not the case that commitment is enforcing on you, because you are engaging, because you are giving inputs, because you are participating. So commitment is from all sides, from all developers, designers, QA. So because they are participating and things are transparent to them, so that the commitment is from their side, because they are participating, because they are giving inputs. So commitment is from all sides, all persons are committing that we will achieve these deadlines, we will deliver these things. Create a quality plan. Why it will create a quality plan, friends? Because you know that when only one mind is working, it has some output. But if there are 10 minds are working together on focusing on one point, it will produce a better output. It's a very natural, it's a very you can say very true scenario, very true phenomena, that when we only one mind can produce a good output, but 10 minds, if they are working together and syncing with each other and collaborating with each other, it will give you a best plan. I'm telling you that it will give you a very good plan if all persons are synced, if all persons are collaborated and working and focusing on one point. Now how to do the collaborating planning, how we can do it? First of all, the main thing is that brainstorming means that you can sit on one room in one room and open for the ideas. Like people can throw their ideas, no worries that ideas are good or bad. There is no restriction to speak. Just speak up, just throw your ideas. Don't restrict yourself. Brain in the brainstorming session, how many people, as many people can participate, it's better. So just allow everyone to speak up and brainstorm the ideas. Think about ideas, not on the detailed thing. First of all, think about the ideas, that how we can do the planning. Then next is the consolidate milestones. Milestones mean, you can say milestone means that, for example, planning phase completion, development phase completion, the completion of testing, completion of UAT. So you can divide the task, divide the uh, bigger picture in milestones. Then group the work streams. Work streams means design phase, designing, development, testing, deployments. So you can say it as a grouping the work stream. Work stream means designing, development, UAT, testing, etc., deployments. So this is called the work stream. Then create timelines. Timeline mean that once you know the milestones, you know the work streams, then you can create the milestones after discussing with the team and collaborating with each other. You can now know, you can get the timeline after discussing with the teams. And once you get the timeline, assign it to the to some owners. For example, you can say development is responsible for John is responsible for the development. The ABC person is responsible for the UAT, and some any other person is responsible for the deployment. So once you have the timelines, you know your milestones, your work streams and timelines are clear, then after that you can assign the timelines, you can assign the work streams to some owner, so that there would be some responsibility, and you can get follow-ups after some time. So in that way, in that way you can do the collaborative planning, because see, all persons are engaging, all persons giving input, so it will be, there are good chances that you can do a better planning. Because see, in this phase, in this type of planning, in the collaboration planning, everyone is participating, everyone is giving input, everyone is giving his share. So there are most likely chances that you can do a better planning. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and that's all from my side. Thank you.